What's going on, guys? I just need to set this up. Today I'm going to be doing a keyboard review. Got my headphones on. Just got them from a shirt. Bought a shirt. Came with them. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a keyboard review. Like, simple keyboard, old. Yeah, kind of old. A couple years. Just a keyboard. Keep in mind, I'm recording off a Chromebook, Samsung Chromebook. I do not recommend this at all. This thing sucks. Sorry about the mouse. So, this is what it says. If you're not the biggest fan of keyboards that make sound, this is definitely not for you. I enjoy them because, just if you type fast enough, my actual name is Douglas, so I'm gonna put. Oh crap! Look, just this. Stop there. And it's not one of those chords. It's not one of those keyboards. You can just click caps lock and it'll stay on. See? I'll click caps lock. It's on right now. See? It'll stay on. Turn it off. So, yeah. Just keep in mind that I can type that entire sentence better. I put namey. Keep putting that. Ah. Oh crap, I put OU. Oh crap. Oh, actually, I took a screenshot. Oopsie daisy. So. Back to scream. And you can also type looking at the screen, crap, misclick. It's kind of hard because I don't usually do this. I'm self-taught at typing. So, yeah. I'm completely self-taught, so it's kind of a struggle. Let's see how much longer I have left. I got plenty. I'm not exactly the greatest at typing and looking at the screen, but I'll do. See? Look, simple controls. I'm gonna play a game. I'm gonna make a video. After this, I'm gonna play a game, so stay tuned for that. I'm getting a phone soon, so I'm gonna start like live streaming maybe. I might be getting a MacBook for Christmas, so I might get some Minecraft on that. Start live streaming. But I heard Happy Wheels is a very popular game too. So if you guys would like me to play that, go for it, okay? Go, just comment. Alright, look. This is my original keyboard. Okay? Hear that? Exactly. Hear this. See? This is my backspace on my laptop keyboard. This is backspace on this. I don't know why, but there's something about that clicking noise that I just, I love. And I think you could press this, take a screenshot. Oh, shit. I think it was this. Okay. So, anyway. This is true only because I don't buy all those expensive keyboards. Thinking about buying this one. Hold on. I'll show it to you later. But let's get to a game. For the rest of the video, at least. I'm not going to be actually playing this game. I just had to get to the site. How much longer do I have? 2 minutes. You know what? I think I'm just going to end the video here. So I'll come back, make a new video, do everything. After I'm going to make the new video, then transfer this to YouTube. So, bye guys.